Hello guys, it's me, Thomas the Tank Engineer. Today we'll be showcasing Ivor today. Sorry it took me and my brother so long. We were just having a little break for a while, but now we're back. Okay, and as you can see, this is Ivor, but I know it doesn't look like much, but we tried, Like that's a important thing. Keep on trying until you get good at it, which we're at a little pro level. I don't know. Anyways, this is Ivor. He's a little green tank engine that used to be in a book, but he only had one movie though. And yeah. Also, this engine might be used for another engine. We just need to change some things and make it like a little longer. Mm. Also, we put like a little other things that aren't a part of Ivor. Yeah, we put like those little railing things that Thomas has. Well, look, he would have a change or something. Or I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna ride him, and yes, I can get out because you did see me jump off him. Anyways, time to ride Ivor. Also, sorry, he doesn't have a whistle. Also, this train might have some problems going on the curves because you can only put three wheels instead of two being together, so that might be causing problems. See, just like that. That's what happens because if you go in a certain speed, like if you're going too fast, it will do that. The rods will lost their track. Get it? Track. Also, we used to like those little airport things that planes have, like if they're landing, or those blinking things, because they work better. Because on the other videos of the other headlamps that we use, they keep turning off and on. Well, and sometimes they might glitch out and turn off. These they don't turn off that easily. Also, ignore the music in my background. My mom's playing music. Bruh. Also, we couldn't put the full name on because we kind of had problems with that. I hate Roblox filters. Also, the next engine is gonna be Oliver. Yep, you heard me right. It's gonna be Oliver, not the Soda or Fallout Oliver. Nope, the regular Oliver, except in real life. Because some of these videos are just about trains that are in the real life. Hold on. Let me just switch the track back around and we can go back to the station. And then I will show you the other engine that we're about to make because one of my brother's friends said they had an idea, which is basically just a tank engine, but I think it's called a LBC Wait, LBSCR, I think. I don't know. I forgot. But it is a E2 tank engine, though. Okay, now that was a good run. Now we're gonna showcase the tank engine. Wait, oh dang! I clicked left. Whoops. Sorry, guys. I accidentally click leave. Oof. Hold on, I'll try to get back on. I literally just embarrassed myself, bruh. Sorry, guys. Anyways, my brother's gonna show the E2 tank engine from the LB whatever. It's kind of like the exact same name that Thomas had of his Adventure Begins. Okay, I'm back on. Now I'm gonna go where my brother is. Okay, and there is his friend. Okay, so here's the tank engine, which it's halfly built, and let me show you what's. The cab is halfly finished. It just needs to be done. And he was about to put the cold in. And of course under the bottom is the volt gear, which which it was an idea by a guy that had an icon with Toby holding a gun with a smile, with a Roblox face smile, a big smile. Anyways, that's all for now. See you later after the next video. Bye guys. Bye.